Imagine walking into your kitchen, and your robot has already brewed your coffee. Then it folds the laundry and takes out the trash, without you lifting a finger. Meet Inio, the humanoid robot that's coming to homes in 2025. And no, this isn't a sci-fi movie. This is the future you can pre-order. Welcome to Future Forward, where tomorrow's tech comes alive today. Robot butler or creepy roommate? Let's take a look. Inio is part of a new race among tech companies to bring humanoid robots into everyday homes. It's human-sized, highly mobile, and packed with AI-powered sensors and machine learning. Inio can do your laundry, make coffee, help with household chores, operate with or without you present, whether you're at work or on vacation. Inio can keep your space tidy, even greet you at the door. And yes, it's designed to learn and adapt to your routines over time. Powered by a combination of computer vision, voice recognition, and robotic mobility, Inio's brain functions more like an AI assistant in physical form. It maps your home, understands natural language, walks, grabs, folds, and even serves Alexa can talk, but Inio can walk and work. Early models will be priced like luxury appliances, not exactly cheap, but within reach for high-end consumers. And while Inio won't replace human labor just yet, it could redefine how we think about domestic help and personal robotics. Inio isn't alone. Tesla's Optimus, Agility Robotics Digit, and Chinese firms like Xiaomi are also racing toward humanoid home robots. But Inio may be the first available for consumer purchase in 2025. The big idea? To take robots from factories and research labs into your living room, helping with real tasks in real time. But are we ready? For privacy? For safety? For sharing space with machines that think, move, and serve? Will humanoid robots be the next smartphone or the next flop? Inio isn't just a glimpse into the future, it's knocking on your door. Literally, would you trust a robot to do your laundry? Let us know in the comments. Like if you're excited or nervous about robots in your home. Subscribe to Future Forward for more deep dives into the tech transforming our daily lives. Next up, AI that can cook, the smart kitchen revolution.